Momobells. Learn English through stories by hear, listen, learn, practice, and repeat. Learning English through the story of a valuable friendship. In a beautiful village, there were two best friends named Lily and Emma. They were very different but shared an unbreakable bond. Lily loved adventure while Emma enjoyed the quiet life in their village. Their friendship began in kindergarten when Lily defended Emma from bullies. From that moment, they became the closest of friends. They spent their days exploring the woods, swimming in the river, and sharing secrets under a big oak tree. One sunny day, Lenny had an exciting idea. Emma, let's go an adventure. We have been in this village for years. There is a whole world out there waiting to be explored. Emma, with a hint of worry, replied, Lily, I love our village and our friendship, but if you want to go on an adventure, I will come with you. With that decision, they packed their bags and set off on a journey far from their village. They met new people, faced challenges, and learned new things. Through thick and thin, they stuck together, supporting each other. Years passed, and they found themselves standing at a cliff overlooking the ocean. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm orange glow on the water. Lily turned to Emma, tears in her eyes. Emma, it's been an incredible journey, but I miss our village, our oak tree, and the simplicity of our lives. Emma smiled, understanding Lily's feelings. I miss them too, Lily. Let's go home. With heavy hearts but a stronger bond, they returned to their village. I felt like they had never left. The oak tree stood tall, and rivers sparkled under the sun. They settled back into their old routines, finding joy in the familiar and comfort in what they knew. The village welcomed them, and their friendship became the heart of the community. Lily and Emma realized that the greatest adventures were the ones shared with a cherished friend. As they sat under their beloved oak tree, watching the sunset, Lily said, You know, Emma, our friendship is the most valuable treasure I have ever known. It's worth more than any adventure. Emma nodded, her eyes filled with affection. And you, Lily, are the most precious part of the treasure. Under the fading sun, Lily and Emma's friendship remained unbreakable, a testament to the power of love, loyalty, and the bonds that tie us together in the most valuable of ways. Thank you guys. For more stories, please press the subscribe button.